With its impressive features and user-friendly design, this heat press machine is a game-changer for anyone involved in heat transfer printing. In this in-depth review, we will explore the key features and benefits that make the VEVOR Heat Press 16x24 the ultimate choice for t-shirt printing and other heat transfer applications. Large press plate. The VEVOR Heat Press 16x24 boasts a large heating pad measuring 16x24 inches, 40.6x61 cm. This spacious workspace allows for more basic heat pressing processes and accommodates larger designs with ease. The sponge heating pad has an impressive service life of 20,000 hours, ensuring durability and long-lasting performance. The quick heating speed and superior transfer effect guarantee excellent results. Additionally, the soft heating liner can accommodate various materials while minimizing unpleasant smells during operation. Digital control board. Equipped with a precise control panel, the VEVOR Heat Press 16x24 puts temperature and time regulation in your hands. The digital control board enables you to accurately set the desired temperature and time for your heat transfer projects. Once the heating process is complete, the machine will automatically sound an alarm, alerting you to remove your items. With a temperature range of 0570, time control of 0999 seconds, and a power output of 1700 W. This heat press machine offers versatility and control for various heat transfer applications. Teflon insulation coating. The VEVOR Heat Press 16x24 incorporates a revolutionary Teflon insulation coating. This coating significantly reduces the surface temperature, providing a comfortable user experience and minimizing the risk of accidental burns. Furthermore, the Teflon coating prevents adhesion between clothes and the plate, ensuring a flawless transfer result every time. The scratch-resistant properties of the coating contribute to the machine's durability, making it a reliable long-term investment. Additionally, the heat press is easy to clean, further enhancing its convenience. Adjustable pressure knob. To accommodate various material thicknesses, the VEVOR Heat Press 16x24 features an adjustable pressure knob. You can easily increase or decrease the pressure by turning the knob clockwise or counterclockwise. This versatility ensures that you achieve the perfect pressure for different types of transfers. The heat press machine is also equipped with a non-slip rubber grip, providing a comfortable user experience and minimizing hand fatigue during prolonged use. Easy to use. The VEVOR Heat Press 16x24 is designed to be user-friendly, making it accessible to both beginners and experienced users. This sublimation machine opens up a world of possibilities for creating personalized gifts for family and friends. Whether you're working with t-shirts, pillows, bags, or phone shells, this heat press delivers vibrant and accurate transfers. The machine excels in transferring colorful pictures and characters onto various textiles such as cotton, cloth, HTV, ceramics, glasses, fabrics, flax, nylon, and more. Its versatility and ease of use make it a valuable tool for both personal and small business applications. Precise control. One of the standout features of the VEVOR Heat Press 16x24 is its high-precision temperature sensor. This sensor ensures that the heat press machine operates with a stronger sensitivity, guaranteeing precise temperature control throughout the transfer process. The built-in audible alarm system is an added safety feature that automatically alerts you when the transfer is complete, minimizing the risk of overheating and potential damage to your materials. With the VEVOR Heat Press 16x24, you can have peace of mind knowing that every detail is thoughtfully designed to prioritize your safety and the quality of your heat transfer projects. Conclusion. In conclusion, the VEVOR Heat Press 16x24 is an exceptional heat press machine that excels in delivering precise, efficient, and high-quality heat transfers. With its large press plate, digital control board, Teflon insulation coating, adjustable pressure knob, and user-friendly design, this heat press machine offers unparalleled convenience, versatility, and performance.